Welcome back. Good to see you folks again. Today our educational video will be on 3 tips to make your landscape pop. First tip, clean your yard up. Get a rake out. Cut those hedges a little bit so they don't look so fuzzy. You want it to look real spiffy. The nicer the yard, the greater the curb appeal, the more value to your home. Second tip, very, very simple. Is that lawn of yours looking like straw outside in the barn? Well, all you need to do is apply the IFA Step 1 right now. Your lawn will be greened up and you'll take some preemptive control over weeds. Less weeds this summer makes more grass that's very green. Third tip, shade or sun plants. Plant some flowers around your house. Make sure though that you know which direction your house is facing so that you can plant the right type of plants. Some plants do really well in the shade, others do really well in the sun. Traditional plants like zinnias, petunias, and marigolds are a great start, and they're very hardy for our Utah climate. Those are your 3 tips. I'm going to be driving around Provo and Orem looking for your yards and making sure that your yards are popping. See you next time. Plant Boss here.